Good afternoon, students. Today we will be starting division and its properties. In the previous class, we have learned the division of two-digit number, and here in this class, we will be proceeding with 2, 3, and 4-digit number. Before starting division, let's first review the important properties of division. Okay, there are 4 important properties of division. First is when a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Non-zero number means a number whose value is not 0. Like when 25 is divided by 25, means 25 is divided by itself here. 25 is divided by itself. The result will be 1. Result is the quotient here. Similarly, 309 divided by itself is 1. 5623 divided by itself is 1. So this is the very important property of division. Second property, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. When a number is divided by 1, any number is divided by 1, the quotient will be the number itself. That is, 39 is divided by 1. The quotient is 39 only. Similarly, 5 is divided by 1. The quotient is 5 only. 10 is divided by 1. The quotient is 10 only. Understood? Now the third property, when 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient will be 0 only. Like 0 is divided by 35, the answer will be 0. 0 is divided by 511, the quotient will be 0. Similarly, 0 is divided by 1, the quotient will be 0. When a 0 is divided by 0, the quotient will be 0. So this is the third property. The fourth property is, this property we use to check. We basically use this property to check. Like when divisor is multiplied by quotient, divisor is multiplied with quotient and remainder is added to it, the answer will be dividend. Here, what is divisor and what is quotient, we will be checking here. Look at this example. This is the divisor. 35 is the divisor. 15,365 is the quotient. Divisor is multiplied by quotient, and when these two are multiplied and this remainder is 8 added here, the answer will be dividend only. This dividend. This is the dividend. Clear? Once again, divisor is multiplied by quotient and remainder is added to it, the answer will be dividend. This is the fourth property here. You can look at here. Divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. Clear? Okay. Now we shall start exercise 3.3. The question is divide and find the quotient and remainder. Today we will be covering from question number 1 to 9. Only question number 1 to 9. Okay. So here we are going to start. Today's date is 17/6/2020. Okay. So we are going to start exercise 3.3. Hope you all will understand this easily. Question number 1. 7,28,023 is divided by 79. Now, how to divide it? Okay. 7,28,023 is divided by 79. Before dividing any number, you have to keep one thing in the mind. Here 79 is the divisor and 7,28,023 is the dividend. Okay. Now look at this. 79 is a two-digit number. 79 is a two-digit number. So look at this two-digit first. 79 is greater than 72. 79 is greater than 72. So 72 will not be divisible by 79. So what we will do, we'll take three digit first. 728 divided by 79. So just multiply 79 and find out. So 79 into 9. 79 into 9. Check it. Multiply this. Do this in the rough part. 9 9s are 81. 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 8. 9 7s are 63 plus 8 is 71. So 711. So write 79 into 9 is 711. Okay. Now subtract it. 8 minus 1 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now in the next step, 0 will come down. Here it is 170. Check 170 is there in 79 table or not. So the best easy way is to multiply it by 2. 2 9s are 18, 1. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. So 79 into 2 is 158. Okay. Now subtract it once again. Now here 10 minus 8 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, what comes down? 2. Again, 122 must not come in 79's table, as we have multiplied 79 into 2 equals to 158. So what you can do? 79 ones are 79. Okay. Subtract it. Okay. Now 12 minus 9 is 3. 11 minus 7 is 4, and here 0. Okay. Now what comes down? 3. 433. So let's check 433 is there in 79's table or not. So multiply 79 into 4 or 5. Let's take 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 7s are 35 plus 4, 59. So 5 9s are 45. 4 5 is 35 plus 4, 39. Let's check 79 into 6. 6 9s are 54. 5 6 7s are 42 plus 5, 47. So 474 is greater than this number, and this is smaller than this number. So this will be preferred. This will take. 5s are 395. Now subtract. 3 minus 5 is not possible. So 13 minus 9 is 8. Sorry. 13 minus 5 is 8. 12 minus 9 is 3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is the remainder. So here in this question, we have got quotient as 9,215 and remainder as 38. Let's check once again. 7,28,023 divided by 79. 79 is dividing this number. This is 79 is the divisor. 7,28,023 is the dividend. So 79 into 9 is 711. So take 79 into 9 equals to 711. Subtract it. 0 comes down. 170. To check 170 is divisible, we have multiplied 79 by 2. We have got 158. Take 79 2s are 158. Subtract, we have got 12. 2 comes down. 79 1s are 79. 43 came down. 3. Now the value is 433. 79 5s are 395. Now the remainder is 38. So here in this question we have got quotient as 9215, remainder as 38. So this division is over. Like this you have to solve all these question number 1 to 9. So you have to follow the same method of division. You have to follow the same method of division. You have to check the divisor. Check divisor is of how many digits. If it is of 2-digit number, try to divide 2 digit first. If 2 digit is smaller than the divisor, take 3 digit. Similarly, you have to do question number 2 to 9 by today. Thank you.